Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll be going over, let's see, what's the day? It's the 24th to the 28th, that trading week. Just a sec. Okay, we should be good. All right, anyways, coming into Monday, let's look at this. Okay, yeah, I kind of remember this. Okay, so yeah, we, looks like we dumped the last week, yeah. And then on this day, coming into the market, we got London highs and London lows. Originally, I did kind of want to see London highs get hit because I'm sure. Yeah, I think I might have also wanted to see this hourly get hit and then look for shorts, but we never actually ended up getting that. Market just opened, and do we have an SMT? No. Yeah, so we just dumped off market open and couldn't get anything. And I was originally looking for shorts, but there wasn't really any shorts. Like there's this 1 minute IFEG entry, but honestly wouldn't have taken that. Like I don't like that. So then we kind of just blasted through uh, all these draws. We might have had like a continuation here, but I think yeah, that's what happened. Okay, yeah, we just had a massive candle push through and take out the internal low, so I couldn't take this continuation. And yeah, highest time frame was a 1. So this was invalidated. And we just continued all the way down. And yeah, I think we just dumped like literally the rest of the morning. And here is 5 minute IFEG. Do we get? No, we didn't get a MACD. This was like this week in general had a lot of just dumps off market open, and then like around 10:30ish you'd actually get like your trade because we'd start to accumulate again, which is kind of what you see here. But it just ends up being chopped down and then not really actually anything that you could have taken. Like, yeah, there is nothing to take here. But I was paper trading PM session. All right, here we go. All right. So if I remember correctly, we had this 15-minute change in state, I guess. This was a 3 p.m. trade. Yeah. So 3 p.m. I believe opened a bit higher into, what was it? Into nothing, I guess. But I don't know. I was confident in the draw, especially just dumping the rest of the day with these like stacked lows here. And what time frame is this? A 2 minute. Okay, yeah. So we tap this 15-minute CISD, and then we get a 2 minute inversion down. And the thing with 3 p.m. is statistically, what we're gonna do in the 3 p.m. hourly candle is we're gonna the first 30-ish minutes, I don't know this like perfectly, but the first 30-ish minutes, we're gonna create a high and a low. And then after 3:30, what we're going to do is we're going to, one of those high or low is going to be protected, and then we're going to seek out the other. So in this case, what 3 p.m. did was we went down, we made a high, and then now it's past 3:30, and I'm anticipating us to leave a protected high, not trade back to this wick of the hourly candle, and just keep on trading down. Because just overall, what we're respecting in bearish PD raise, what draws do we have? We have lower draws, so I was overall more bearish. And yeah, I think I took partials somewhere, or I took like full profits somewhere else, probably like at a 2.5 standard deviation, somewhere around there, I want to say. Or maybe like around there. I have the executions, I hope, so I'll go look. But yeah, this is a paper trade, by the way, but it did end up working. It was pretty obvious. I probably got out somewhere around there if I remember. Let's see if I can go back. That's the wrong account. Dude. Okay, yeah, here we go. So on paper, shorted here, took profits right around there for like, what was that? 1 to 2. And on to the next day. All right, so this is Tuesday. Let's see what we're looking at here. So I think we had a daily. Oh no, that was another day. Okay, we had equal highs. We had a bunch of stacked liquidity here. And yeah, I don't know, kind of wanted to see this guy hit before we traded downwards, but I believe, yeah, it was Asia highs. Okay. I believe that did not happen. Yeah, we just got one of those regular 930 inverses again that just delivers like all the way down. And yeah, there really wasn't anything. 10, 15. Yeah, so this is around the time when we do start to actually accumulate and set up for something possible to take. And yeah, dumped, I don't know how many points, probably like, yeah, almost 400 off market open. And here is where I kind of just wanted to see what we would get, and we did end up making a 15-minute fair value gap, which I believe we traded into. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And we made an SMT as well with these highs, I'm assuming. 1002. No, okay, it's 1016. Okay, yeah, we took it out on ES but left it on MQ. And then we ended up getting a 4-minute inversion to the downside. I did not end up taking this. I can't remember why. I think it was just because, oh yeah, it was right before 11. That's why. Oops. How do I? Did that really stop me out? Wow. Oh, this is why. Okay. I don't know what's happening here, but yeah, this trade would have gone like break even around there. There. It wouldn't end up working. Uh, Yeah, I mean, pretty obvious trade overall, right? Like we're still respecting bearish PD raise. We're in a range. We created all this liquidity, and then just a pretty obvious, like prominent low right there, where a bunch of stops would obviously be, and then of course like here and here too. But yeah, really obvious. Go on to the next. Okay. Whatever. Here. All right. What are we looking at? All right, so it looks like my on market open, we went down, took out Asia lows. There's probably, okay, yeah, we were inside a 4 hour here too. And what I wanted to see originally, I think I did want to see shorts, but we kind of just dumped before market so we can get shorts. So then I just wanted to see us sweep this buy side and then get continuation shorts down to this sell side and previous day low. This is market open. So we trade up the market open. We put in an SMT. Yeah, because we took out everything above us but left it on NQ. And then, oh shit, okay. And then we got a 1 minute inversion as well as a change in state, as you can see right there. And that's what I answered off of. I was pretty confident in this trade, especially with my break even point being so low. Like I wanted to see us just like, since we had such a strong candle, right? I wanted to see that continue in this next candle, just break even right away, risk-free trade. And that didn't end up happening. Instead, it just went straight to stop loss. This is a trade I actually took, by the way. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. This was the highest time frame inversion. It was a pretty obvious trade. I think one of the things I did mess up on was it not being mechanical in terms of we didn't have anything we needed to necessarily rebalance in this range, like no unfilled fair value gaps. So it could have, you know, especially with this buy side only having SMT to protect us again from coming back to it. Like, yeah, like it was pretty easy for us to just run back up, right? But we were holding a 15-minute fair value gap. We did end up holding that, and then we looked like we were going to continue trading down, but no. And then that was probably the rest of the morning. Looks like there was a 2 p.m. trade that I looked at. I don't know if I took it though. Might have just been paper again. I can't remember. Okay. So what happened here was we took out this sell side. I want to say we're respecting this 5. Yeah, we're respecting this 5. It was an unfilled 5 minute. So it's not like that high confluence, but it's just something nice to add on to a trade like this. I don't think I took this like on an actual account though. I think this is just another paper forward test or something, since I already took my loss on the day. But yeah, 2 minute inversion, we get that. And then I think we went break even at the internal high. Targeting an unfilled 15, and then we could have obviously targeted all this LR, but if I'm being honest, I don't expect that big of a move in PM. Looks like it got break even though. But yeah, I mean, pretty obvious in terms of rebalancing the range, right? Yeah, that's that for that. And then let's go on to the next day. I don't know what day this is gonna be. We went over, did I go over Monday? I did. I went over Tuesday. Yeah. Okay. I'm going through this fast then, I guess. I don't know. All right, let's see what we got. All right, coming in the market open here. Okay, yeah, this was a trade I actually took. I remember this one. Yeah, coming in the market open, we 930 gives us a Judas. We create equal highs. This short, I believe it was Mac. Possibly. I don't know. But it was a good short, but we left equal highs that were like very spread apart, which is something that is not something I want to take a short against. So I did not take that trade. And then we ended up dumping, you know, a calm 500 points. And then we did the usual kind of 1030 accumulation to get a trade. And then here, what time frame is this on? It's like a tiny 2-minute. Okay, yeah, tiny 2-minute and a 1-minute. We get the inversion on this candle. So obviously, this is just my fill then, wasn't it? I don't know. Put stops above the body, just because of how close. Like usually I would put it at the SMT, but just considering how close we are to the unfilled 5, I don't really expect us to trade all the way back up and need that tiny extra bit of room. But yeah, we tapped into 4-hour CST, 15-minute fair value gap. We have an SMT with this internal high that we created at 945. And we're in equilibrium of the range. I think ES was probably an OTE or even a bit higher. So shorts definitely look good here. You know, need to rebalance this range. And we tapped the 5. That would have been break even. Yeah, break even. Which it did end up saving us, I want to say. I don't remember. Yeah, I would have said it does. But that's that trade, a break-even trade. I did actually take that trade. And that is Thursday. And then coming to Friday. Oh, okay. Alright, coming to Friday. What do we have? We probably had, yeah, London Asia lows. We took those out right away. I think we tapped into something high time frame. Maybe not. I can't even. Okay, yeah, we just take out all the lows. So we did want to see longs higher. Just to take out this liquidity, we had an unfilled 4-hour above 2. So the draw was definitely higher. I believe. Yeah, we did a really premium 5. I was looking for a mech to that 5. We never ended up getting it. So then kind of just waited to see what we would get here. And this trade, I did like. The only thing is that I kind of wanted an SMT or a sweep of this internal low to take this long. But we ended up getting it. Stops would have been like there, TP there. I think that's around a 1-to-1. But yeah, this trade would have worked. Good trade all around. I kind of just hit the hezzy on it, which sucks, but I'll fix that, obviously. But then here we get like a perfectly A+ setup. Tap into unfilled 4-hour. Take out London highs. We have a SMT with ES. Okay. And then we get a 1-minute inversion, I believe. Yeah. So 1-minute inversion right here. Again, just like that one trade earlier this week, I did want to see, you know, we have a strong candle. I wanted to see this candle just continue, hit my break even. Just a super safe break even. And once again, go straight to stop loss. Yeah, I think these kind of trades, I don't know why they're not working, but that's something I gotta obviously look at and figure out. But that was Friday. There wasn't really anything I wanted to take or could have taken for the rest of the day. And yeah, that was my week. Not the best week, but I think I was down on the week by like 2 losses, maybe something like that. Yeah, 2 losses and a break even. Down on the week. It's gonna happen. Last week was pretty bad for me mentally, but we'll bounce back from it this week. I'm hoping, and then obviously the rest of this month too. March. Today is March 3rd. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day. Remember, down in the link below is my website and my socials and all that shit if you ever want it. And yeah, have a great rest of your night. God bless.